Are we live? Hi, good evening everyone. Hi once again to all of you because we had a slight technical snag where I was upside down in the previous live. You may also be hearing a small zzz sound. That is because we are in Mumbai, and in Mumbai construction goes on towards your left, towards your right, towards everywhere around you. And that is the reason, please bear with me for that slight inconvenience in the audio. In case you are not able to hear me, please put it in the comments so I'll be a little louder. Who am I? To all those who are watching us for the first time, I am Khyati Rupani, a dietitian by profession, and we run a company called balancenutrition.in. We are India's first online weight loss program, and in the last 4 years have served a little more than 12,000 clients who are happy, healthy and having lots of fun with us. Now there is a reason why I am live. But as usual, when I go live, I have lots of things to tell you. The most important thing I am here for is the 60-day challenge that is going on in the offices of Balanced Nutrition, and a lot of you have already taken it and have shown interest in participating in it. Right. Now, what is the 60-day challenge? This 60-day challenge is a yearly bonanza that is taken by the staff of Balanced Nutrition. You must have seen our office attendant, Azim, has taken a challenge to ensure that he is going to be hydrated. I have taken a challenge that I lost a lot of weight, but then I had one cheat every day, and that was a cafe mocha, which was a good 200 calories. So my battle is to get rid of the cafe mocha. Now, before I proceed and tell you more about the 60-day challenge, about what are the clauses of the challenge, how you can participate and what is the end result, let me quickly run you through a beautiful experience I had yesterday. So we all know makhanas is something, or as we call it, foxtail nuts, is something that has become a big popularity. This popularity is only and only because they are very nutritious and they are a popular evening snack. How many of you have had makhana? Yeah? Yes. So I was having makhanas yesterday, and I was having a pepper flavored makhana. Pom munching, pom munching, pom and munching. And as usual, the dietitian in me came out to see, dekhe isme kitni calories hai. Feeling proud about myself, evening snack makhana khaya, only to know that 100 grams of that makhana had 510 calories. What is this? Calories, you know, calories are nothing but they sit on your waist and they make sure that the waist expands if they are not utilized. So I too am very picky about the snack choices I make. Makhanas having 500 calories? Yes. So whenever you are seeing something that is baked, whenever you are seeing something that is not fried, whenever you are seeing something healthy, please don't believe it. Please turn around and see the calorie content of it. If the calorie content of it is less than 300, it is a snack that is good to go. If it is between 300 and 400, have a small portion of it. And if it is above 500, like mere saath kal hua, go home and start weeping because that was not worth it. So now what to do? We have to have the makhanas. Worry not. Balanced Nutrition recipe section is full of recipes that are yummy, delicious, include makhanas and very healthy. Yes, I am sure comments are pouring in and you may have lots of questions. I may take 3, 4 or 5 questions, but before that, let me tell you what is this 60-day challenge all about. At Balanced Nutrition, the challenge makes all participants, whether you are a client or no, a little inconvenient by making sure that they come out with some secret. That secret can be, well, a mentor here is gone on a challenge to go off makeup for 2 months. That challenge can be losing 5 kgs. That challenge can be taking care of your own self. That challenge can be increasing your stamina. So yes, it is something that is going to make you a little uncomfortable, but worry not. We are there. We are going to keep giving on tips and making sure that you engage in this challenge. You will participate in this challenge. We will have timely polls, timely posts and timely videos. And yes, you will get to update entire challenge of yours once you participate. This also brings me to something that we call as Mother's Day. Yes, Mother's Day is round the corner. It's in the weekend and this Sunday. As a mother, I definitely know that we all are super moms. Being super moms, we just make sure that entire family is taken care of. Husband's diet chart on the fridge, child's diet chart on the fridge, in the cupboard, on the child's study table. But what about you? What about a diet chart or a health chart or something to do with your health, your well-being and your happiness? So yes, this weekend we are coming up with again a wonderful discount, but only on programs that we feel are going to be very beneficial to women, mothers especially. Two of our best programs, namely Weight Loss Pro and PCOS. Weight Loss Pro is again dealing with a post-pregnancy weight loss case, whether it is a 6-week-old pregnancy case or whether it is your child being 7 years plus. All you have to do is call or WhatsApp us on 98204 555444 and 98207 92855. You will get to speak to our nutritionists who are qualified to tell you how to go about a diet chart for yourself as well as a wonderful program. Last but not the least, we are also having a sale on the program called PCOS. This is a big hello to all the mothers who are having irregular periods, painful periods, who are having less blood flow, any form of infertility and anything related to uterine and ovary health. You will also be happy to know that along with that, we will be giving you a small portion guide for your child, which is going to be absolutely free of cost. So please mummies, make sure that you make good use of this 3-day sale that is here on Mother's Day. Well, the clients need not get unhappy because I am going live in the client exclusive group shortly and I will be telling you what we have in store for you. Meanwhile, let me ask the team if there are any questions. Are there any questions in the comments? Satya and Manish? Anything? Nothing? Okay. So, it's time for me then to say a big bye to you, and here on, make sure that you please feel free to ask me any questions you have, even in the comment section after we have gone offline. Visit www.balancenutrition.in and get your free health score too. Bye-bye.